Guys, welcome back to this amazing video. Today I am going to show you how you can optimize your budget Android device for gaming. Budget Android device just can't handle high graphics by default. But after hours of testing, I finally found a way to fix this game lag without any complex hacks. Meet HTG Game Turbo. It's designed specifically for Android optimization and actually unlock the hidden power of your chipset. It's on Play Store, so it's completely safe and needs no roots, so install it first. After installation, open the app. Click Accept. Here comes the interface. I will be so direct. You need to go to Tweaks. Here you will need to enable Shizuku Tweaks first. Enable Shizuku Watch. The video link is given in description. Set animation to 0. Background process as no limit. Set cache process to 8 apps. Enable performance mode. Turn on force GPU rendering. Select all heavy apps to hibernate. And click force stop selected. Set the DPI to low. Disable HW overlay. Change your refresh rate to best available one. Clear all app caches. Then disable doze mode. You can read what each does. You can also set your specific game to performance mode if your device supports it. And for faster ping, set the DNS to Cloudflare 1. Addition to these tweaks, you can also find the module in our Telegram channel. Download it and select from here. After selecting module, click Flash. Click Apply Changes. All the settings will be applied. Then you can try playing a game from this game booster and enjoy your experience. See you later.